This video is not about showing profits. It's not about selling signals. And it's definitely not about making promises. This video exists to explain why Kronos was created, what problem it solves, and why execution is the most underestimated factor in trading. My name is João, and I trade crypto. But I'm not a full-time trader sitting in front of charts all day. I work a regular job, 5 days a week, from 7 in the morning until 5 in the afternoon. And that reality defines everything about how Kronos was built. For a long time, I was profitable trading manually. I understood risk, entries, exits, and market structure. But results were inconsistent over time. Not because my understanding disappeared, but because my availability did. Some days I could focus. Some days I couldn't. Some days I followed my rules perfectly. Other days I interfered. And every time I interfered, the outcome was worse. I missed entries because I was busy. I exited too early because I was afraid. I moved stops because I didn't trust my own plan. And sometimes I overtraded simply because I felt I needed to do something. That's when I realized something fundamental. Most traders don't fail because they don't know what they're doing. They fail because they can't execute consistently. The market does not adapt to your schedule. It doesn't wait for you to finish work. It doesn't care if you're tired, distracted, or emotional. Manual trading depends entirely on human presence, focus, and emotional control. And humans are inconsistent by nature. That inconsistency was the real problem. Kronos was not created as a business idea. It wasn't designed to follow trends or marketing opportunities. It was created to solve a very specific personal problem. How to execute trading decisions with discipline, even when I wasn't available. Instead of searching for new strategies, I focused on execution. Instead of optimizing indicators, I optimized behavior. Kronos is not an AI that predicts the future. It does not guess market direction. It does not promise accuracy. Kronos is an autonomous decision and execution system. What you are seeing on the screen right now is not a demo and not a simulation. It is a live system operating in real market conditions, connected directly to the exchange. Kronos continuously scans multiple trading pairs, analyzes volatility, momentum, and structure, and waits patiently until pre-defined conditions are met. There is no human clicking buy or sell. There is no emotional override. There is no impulsive decision. The system does nothing most of the time, and that is intentional. In trading, waiting is often more important than acting. Every trade begins with rules already defined. Position size is calculated before execution. Risk per trade is capped. Stop loss is mandatory. Take profit is mandatory. If any of these elements cannot be applied correctly, the trade simply does not happen. That design choice alone eliminates a massive percentage of human error. Positions may appear small. That is not a limitation. It is a principle. Capital preservation comes before growth. Survival comes before scaling. Because without capital, no strategy survives. Kronos was built with the assumption that mistakes are inevitable for humans, but optional for systems. And that is the foundation everything else is built on. One of the most important components of Kronos is a separate risk layer called Guardian. Guardian is not a trading strategy. It does not look for entries. It does not try to make money. Guardian exists for one reason only: protection. While the execution engine focuses on market conditions, Guardian focuses on behavior and exposure. It monitors total account exposure, drawdown levels, execution frequency, and risk accumulation over time. If activity becomes excessive, Guardian intervenes. If drawdown exceeds predefined limits, Guardian intervenes. If execution behavior deviates from configured rules, Guardian intervenes. This separation is critical. Most trading systems mix decision-making and risk control in the same logic. Kronos intentionally separates them. That way, even if the execution logic is correct, risk is always monitored independently. This is how emotional behavior is removed entirely. The system does not panic. It does not revenge trade. It does not increase size after losses. It does not hesitate after wins. Kronos operates the same way, whether the user is watching or not. Whether you are working, sleeping, or away from the charts, execution remains consistent. Security and transparency were also core design principles from the beginning. Kronos never holds user funds. Your capital always remains on your exchange account. The platform uses limited API permissions only: read access and trade execution. Withdrawal permissions are never requested under any circumstances. Users remain in full control of their accounts at all times. All risk parameters are user-defined: position size, maximum exposure, stop-loss behavior, daily limits. Kronos does not override these rules. It enforces them. This is not financial advice. It does not guarantee profits. Markets change. Risk is always present. Kronos is not designed to remove risk. It is designed to remove mistakes. Anyone can predict price movement. Anyone can draw lines on a chart. Very few can execute consistently without interference. Consistency does not come from intelligence. It comes from discipline. Kronos exists for traders who already understand this. It is not a shortcut. It is not a promise. It is infrastructure, built from real experience, built for real conditions, built to last. Execution, risk control, capital protection. That is what Kronos is. And that is exactly what this system is doing right now.